Welcome! Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature of Instagram: how to see your highlights. Whether you're looking to revisit your favorite moments or showcase your best stories, highlights are a fantastic way to keep your content alive. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your account. This is the gateway to all the fun and creative possibilities Instagram has to offer. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where all your posts and stories live. Once you're on your profile, look just beneath your bio. Here, you'll find a section dedicated to your highlights. These circular icons represent all the stories you've saved as highlights. Each highlight can contain multiple stories that you've previously shared, allowing you to curate a collection of memorable moments. To view a specific highlight, simply tap on its circular icon. This will open up a collection of stories that you've included in that highlight. You can scroll through them at your leisure, reliving those moments as if they were just posted yesterday. If you want to manage or edit these highlights, it's just as easy. Tap and hold on the highlight you wish to edit, and select Edit Highlight. From here, you can add new stories or remove existing ones, ensuring that your highlights always reflect the best of what you want to share. In summary, seeing your highlights on Instagram is straightforward. Open the app, navigate to your profile by clicking on your photo, and check out the circular icons below your bio. With just a few taps, you can access and enjoy all the memories you've saved. Thanks for tuning in. Now go ahead and explore those highlights. There's a world of memories waiting for you.